How's it going, guys? It's Kyle, the How To Guy 123 here, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and review of the Comica CVM-V30 Lite shotgun microphone. So here's the box here. There's the mic. I hope you guys can see that. So lighting in here is not the best. Here is the side of the box. Got some kind of features of the mic going on there. There's some technical information if you guys understand that. I don't. And here's the other side of the box, which is the same as this side. And yeah, so this is a mid-range shotgun mic. Works for both DSLRs if you have the, or any camera, mirrorless or DSLR, as long as you have the 3.5mm mic input. But this also works for smartphones, which is what I'm going to be using this for now until I pick up a new DSLR. But anyways, I think that's all I wanted to say. Let's go ahead and open this. Oh, someone's sneezing in the back. If I can get this open. Hold on. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to mention. This was $50, I think $53 Canadian, which I think is like 36 American, so it's mid-range. If you pay a little bit more, you might get maybe a better microphone, but you get what you pay for. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I got this off Amazon, by the way. I'll leave the link in the description below to where I got it, pretty much. So yeah, this is a totally impromptu unboxing. So there is a, let me see, what is this? This is some sort of, yeah, I don't know what this is. Some sort of like business card. Okay, let's, so you got some information here. User manual, pretty much how to use it for your smartphone and how to use it for your DSLR. We'll take a look at that after. What is this? This is more information, I guess, right there. Got a QR code. I'm not really too interested in that. And here is the microphone itself in a plastic case. Let's go ahead and take that out. Okay, let's throw that over there. And here is the microphone itself. I've got some tasty gel here. Throw that away. Alright, here's the shotgun mic itself. It comes in two colors. I got the red version because I thought it looked pretty cool, but it also comes in like a blackish gray. And here is the 3.5mm input jack that you put into your smartphone or camera. Here's the back. Got a nice kind of telephone cable here. There is the thing on the back. Sorry for my poor filming. This is a switch to let the microphone know whether you're going to be using this on a DSLR or a smartphone. So I'm going to be using this on a smartphone, so I'm going to switch it there. You got a hot shoe mount right there, so you can just, or it's actually not a hot shoe, it's a cold shoe, because hot shoe has the electrical connections. This is just a cold shoe that just slides onto the camera. I'm not sure how I'm going to mount this onto a smartphone. I'll have to find some sort of adapter online. So I guess here's the whole mic. There's the front, side, Comica logo. Showed you the back already. So I guess we can, oh, there's also a tripod mount there as well. I guess that's how we'll mount it. I don't know. We'll take a look at that after. But let's go ahead and do a test for it. Alright, so this is going to be a microphone test for the Comica V30 Lite shotgun microphone. I'm using this with my smartphone right now, and I have it mounted cleverly on a tripod using GoPro mounts. So if you're going to be using this on your smartphone, just make sure that the smartphone setting is selected on the microphone. And basically all you gotta do is just plug it into the 3.5mm jack on your phone. I'm using Open Camera right now to record the audio with this. I noticed that when I was using the app, the default phone camera app on my phone, the microphone wasn't being picked up, but I'm using the app Open Camera, and I was able to select the use of an external mic to record the audio for this video, and it seems to be working fine. If you're going to be using a DSLR or mirrorless camera, this should just work fine. You should just be able to plug it in, and you could do a couple tweaks in probably the settings, but it should just work fine out of the box. But anyways, now we're going to do a test for just the raw microphone on my smartphone. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is the raw microphone on my OnePlus 5, and we'll see how it compares to the Comica mic. Usually in my videos I like to edit the audio in Audacity, but I won't do that in this video just so you guys can get the full picture of how the two mics compare to each other. So let's go ahead and check these out in editing. So I'm back recording the Comica mic with my smartphone, and I just went ahead and took a listen to the microphone in editing, and compared to my phone microphone, the phone microphone is very tinny. It recorded a lot of white noise. You could hear less static in the background, whereas the Comica mic was more direct. It was picking up mostly my voice, nothing really in the background. It was more clear. I feel like though the difference in quality isn't like massive. Like I feel like if you were to record a video with your smartphone microphone, you could get by. I don't know if the difference in quality was really worth $50. But I went ahead and I went online and I listened in to some other people's reviews of this microphone. I'll link one in the description below. It's from a guy named Cruz in Canada. He did a very excellent review on this, and he put the microphone through a lot of situations. And he also compared using the microphone on a smartphone compared to a DSLR. And when this microphone was being used on a DSLR, the quality was actually a lot better than when this was used on a smartphone. I'm not sure if that has to do with just the sound controller on like a smartphone, or if the microphone needs to draw less power from the smartphone. I'm not sure, but when this microphone was being used on a DSLR, it actually sounded amazingly, and I'd actually recommend getting this if you were using a DSLR. It actually sounded like really good. But when this was used on a smartphone, it didn't actually sound that good. I noticed the microphone was actually kind of quiet. I'm not sure if that has anything to do with how far I was recording the microphone, like how far away I was talking from the microphone. In that example, I was about 3 feet. Usually, so I'm actually, the microphone's a little bit closer right now. It's about 2 feet, 2.5 feet. But I mean, this microphone's mostly used for vlogging, like where you're going to be very close to the camera. So it might be, the microphone might sound a little bit better if you are closer to the microphone. One other advantage I actually do want to talk about with this microphone is it doesn't require any batteries. So a lot of higher end shotgun microphones, they require you to have a 9-volt battery in there, like the Rode Video Mic Pro, I think it's called, actually requires a battery. And a big problem that a lot of people have is they forget to turn the microphone off, then when they go to use it again, the battery is dead. So the good thing about this mic is it doesn't require any batteries. You just plug it in and it's powered based off your camera or smartphone. Also, it's not too big, so if you're using a wide angle lens, you shouldn't be able to see the microphone peeking out in your shot, so that's also an advantage there. My final opinion on this mic, if you're going to be using this on a smartphone, maybe either get a cheaper one or maybe just skip on the microphone altogether. I found the difference between the phone microphone quality and the shotgun microphone weren't a huge difference. However, if you're going to be using this microphone on a DSLR, I'd totally recommend it. It sounded amazingly, based off other people's reviews. It sounded really good. It's also probably better than those microphones that are built into DSLR cameras. Also, on a smartphone, there's no way to really mount the microphone. You have to buy an extra adapter, and I was looking on Amazon. A cold shoe adapter for smartphones are actually kind of expensive. So that's also a thing on a smartphone. You really don't have any way to mount a shotgun microphone, whereas DSLRs, obviously, you just stick them on the top there. So, final remarks, DSLR, if you're going to be using this for a DSLR, get it. If you're going to be using this on a smartphone, maybe pass altogether on a shotgun mic, or maybe get something cheaper. Alright, that's it for this review. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.